everyone. This is Jennifer Wiggin with the Museum of Life and Science. And today I want to talk to you about a really cool app called ISeeChange and how you can be a citizen scientist. A citizen scientist is someone from the general public that collects data and observations from the natural world around them. ISeeChange is this awesome app that lets us collect data on weather and climate change and look at how it impacts our communities and environment. Today we're going to talk about that app and some of the things that we can collect with it, just like all this pollen that has already started appearing in March here in North Carolina.
You can download the ISeeChange app to your phone or tablet for use. You can also visit their website at ISeeChange.org to get more information. Using the app is pretty easy. Once you've created an account, you can go up to the top right-hand corner and use the plus sign to make a post. You'll be directed to a screen that looks just like this, and from here, you can access your camera or your photo roll to upload a picture. Today, I chose to take a picture of all the yellow pollen that has been washed into the street. Once I got it uploaded, I just added a short description of what I saw. It can be something really simple and straightforward. For me, all I wrote was, pollen is already everywhere. I don't think I remember this happening this early last year. These descriptions are completely optional though. You can just upload a picture if that's all you want to do. From there, you can even go in and make some more classifications. If you click on the word change next to the word investigation, it'll take you to a list to help classify what you're looking at. For my picture, I chose early spring. Once you're done, you just go to the submit button at the bottom. And next thing you know, your picture has been uploaded to the ISeeChange app. You can see that my photo of the pollen from earlier is now published to the ISeeChange newsfeed, so other users can see what I'm seeing in my area.